Welcome all. In this video, we are going to see this experiment evaluation of impulse response of a system. So here we are using this linear time invariant system y of n is equal to zero point 0.5 y of n minus 1 plus x of n using the difference equations. So for that, first we need to understand what is impulse response. So impulse response of a system is the output of the system when the input is unit impulse. That is, at one point will be unit and for all other values will be zero. So it characterizes the system completely if the system is linear and time invariant. So for the linear time invariant system, the output for any input signal is given by the convolution of the input with the impulse responses. So here the output will be this h of n will be the impulse response, and your output response will be x of n convolution of h of n. So here we are representing this equation in difference equations. Y of n is equal to a1 y of n minus 1 plus a2 y of n minus 2 plus up to that is it up to the an, and next b naught x into x of n plus b1 x of n minus 1 and up to n minus 1. So here to solve this, to evaluate the signal using this difference equation, here this is the flow chart to write the programs. So initially we have to initialize the terms, and we are creating the time index values from that is sample index values from 0 to 20, and input impulse will be del of n, and output h of n will be first we are creating zero matrix, and we are giving the sequence x of n. The next is, for each time step we need to uh, calculate the uh, uh, difference values, and for if I is equal to 1, then h of naught will be equal to del of naught, else h of I is equal to zero point 0.5. This is the a value, here it is provided in the given signal, into h of I minus 1 plus del of I. So this loop will be continuous for all the time steps, and after getting arriving all the results, we are going to plot the signals. So this is the program. Here we are initializing the time steps, and next we are creating the zero matrix for the x, and for initial impulse values we are assigning, that is x of 1 is equal to 1 and other values will be 0. The next is, we need to initialize the that is we need to create the zero matrix for the impulse response, zeros of 1 comma the total length. The next is, we need to evaluate this signal using the difference equations. So here this loop will continue for I is equal to 1 to the total length 20, and if I is equal to 1 means then h of I will be equal to x of I, or otherwise h of I is equal to zero point 0.5 into h of I minus 1 plus x of I. And after completing this loop, here it is the plot, that is command to plot the figures. You'll see this coding. Now I'll run this code to demonstrate this video, to demonstrate this program. So this is the output we are getting in this program. So for by using this difference equations, we are getting this solution of the response of the impulse police. And thank you.